Okay, it's getting a little bit more hairy here. Okay, so let's see. They're measuring, they're a little bit light because they're at the top of the ride, right? So at the top, remember, it's 1g minus the ride is equal to 0.88 g's, right? So how do you math that? I guess the ride has to be 0.12, right? Okay, so the ride is 0.12. So how did I figure that out? I guess what you do is you go 1g minus 0.88 is the ride, right? 1g minus 0.88 is what the ride is doing, right? So I added the ride to both sides. I subtracted 0.88 from both sides. Okay, so the ride is 0.12, and then at the bottom it's 1g plus the ride. So you'd feel 1.12 g's. Okay, so this is the bottom. This is what the ride is in g's, right? And then it says, what is the acceleration of the ride in meters per second squared? Well, we have to convert g's to meters per second squared. So don't convert this to meters per second squared. Do the ride, okay? So we're going to go 0.12 times 9.8. And that'll give us meters per second squared. Because 1g is 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay, so 0.12 times 9.8 is 1.176 meters per second squared. All right. Did we answer everything? What g's do the riders feel measure at the bottom? Okay, we did that, 1.12. What is the ride really pulling is 0.12. What is the acceleration in meters per second squared? Okay. Yeah, we got it. All right.